Alright guys, we're back again with another video. Today we're going to be cleaning up these calipers. We're going to wire wheel these, clean them all up, get them painted all silver and nice. Had to take all the old pads out, clean up the pins. And then we're going to put them back in the Subaru with new fluid, new everything. Hopefully they still work. They're used set, but it's kind of a budget build, so fingers crossed they still look good, but I'll throw you up on a time lapse while I go and wire wheel these and clean them all up. Okay, now we're just going to be pulling this apart. Just fairly simple. You just kind of unclip these. This pops out. These pins should slide out. Sorry about that, radio was being weird. Oh, these things are kind of stuck just because of how old it is. Let's see if I can unpop them. Here, I'm gonna have to grab like a slide hammer or something, or a pick to knock these out. Yeah. Just take that and just tap them out. Do the same to the other side. Pair of vice grips. Because these things are so rusted and all, I'm gonna have to clean up the pins a lot with the wire wheel. That pops out. There, one pin. Come on. Nice thing about old parts is they're cheap. Bad thing is they're a pain to work with. There. Then you got both your pads out. These things are old and crusty. No point reusing them. We got new pads and stuff, so. And the color we're going with is just a simple kind of gray. Hopefully it'll look decent. I didn't want to do like red or anything because I thought it would look kind of weird with the pink. We're already such a bright color, but this should be all right. I'm gonna grab a drill and then a smaller wire wheel, keep wire wheeling, making sure it's all cleaned up. Then we're going to just clean it with some isopropanol and then spray paint it, let it dry, and then we could probably put these on tomorrow. Okay, we're back. We're just taping everything off. It's not the best tape job, but I also just am trying to keep it away from anything that'll break if it gets paint on it. Not super worried about it. They're brake calipers. Yeah, you kind of get away with a lot. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to tape them off, and then we're going to throw them on some cardboard, and we'll just spray paint them, and then that'll be it for this video. Yay! Isopropanol on the cloth. Let's try and make this the best cheap little paint job we can. I really hope this does work and come out okay. I didn't spend a lot of time making it perfect, but it should be
fairly okay. I mean, they were really cheap, so I guess they're not perfect. I can only blame myself. There we go. Like that. And then just the paint now, and we should be good. Might be easier if I just leave you guys like that. I had to move them over so I could have the little heater because we're in Canada, it's cold. But I'll let these sit for about 30 minutes, then I'll do another coat.
We'll probably do 3 coats in total, and I'll just let it sit 30 minutes each time, but I'll come back when we're ready to do the next coat. I won't. Okay, so we got the paint done. I just wanted to show you before we close out the video. Boys, what are your thoughts? What are the thoughts?
I told you not to record my pants. First
What's wrong with your
do-
pants? What's wrong with the pants?
They're my pajamas.
I see.
Nightmare Before Christmas
Yeah,
pants.
they're cute. Okay, so what do you think? How do you think about them?
I think they're gonna look nice.
They look nice?
They look
It'll
very
be
nice.
weird seeing the
Yeah.
Subaru with
Kind of
like
silvery, but okay.
nice looking parts on it.
Shut up! Shut up! She's mint.
Hey,
bud.
listen, my golf started first try. We fixed every single no.
Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Stop, that one's dead.
Maniac.
This is gonna be it for today's video, but I'll see you next time.